everyone, I am Maimuna Hasan, a student of class 5. Today I want to talk to you about a fundamental concept in Islam that is the power to transform our life. Tawakkul, the key to inner peace. Tawakkul is often translated as trust in Allah, but it's more than just a feeling. It's a state of mind, attitude, and a way of life. In the Quran, Surah At-Talaq, chapter 65, verse number 3, Allah says, وَمَنْ يَتَوَكَّلَ عَلَى اللَّهِ فَهُوَ حَسْبُهُ, means, and whoever trusts in Allah, He is sufficient for him. Tawakkul is trusting in Allah's plan even when we don't understand it. It's about believing that Allah is always in control and that He will always provide for us. But Tawakkul is not just about sitting back and waiting for things to happen. It's about taking action, working hard, and striving to achieve our goals. As Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, tie your camel first and then trust in Allah. In other words, we should do our part and then trust in Allah to take care of the rest. So how can we cultivate Tawakkul in our lives? Firstly, we need to have a strong faith in Allah. We need to believe in His power, His wisdom and His mercy. Secondly, we need to surrender ourselves to Allah's will. We need to accept His plan is better than ours and that He knows what's best for us. Thirdly, we need to take action and then trust in Allah for guidance. We need to work hard and strive to achieve our goals and then trust in Allah to take care of the rest. In conclusion, Tawakkul is a powerful concept that can bring to inner peace, confidence and success in our lives. Let us cultivate Tawakkul in our hearts and then trust in Allah for guidance. Thank you.